Welcome back to my keto kitchen. I'm so excited to share this with you. As we've told you many times, we have a ton of jalapenos growing in our garden. We have a lot of jalapeno plants, and 2 of them that we bought this year are large jalapenos, and I'm always looking for ways to use them. I love the jalapeno jelly. I've made hot sauce. I've done a myriad of things, and we love the jalapeno jelly. Jalapeno jelly on an egg yolk waffle on a non-precision PSMF days is marvelous. But I'm always looking for new ways, and I kept seeing coming up this creamy green jalapeno sauce. I've never heard it, but I guess it's a thing. And there were several different recipes out there on how to make creamy green jalapeno sauce. So I made a keto by using a keto approved oil, and otherwise it was keto anyway. And I looked at different recipes, combined a few, and I made a recipe that I love. First, you start off with 12 ounces of jalapeno, and I'm going to start, this little burner takes a while to heat up. So I'm going to start it, and I am going to use olive oil to fry these with. Even though for the rest of the oil that's used in it, do not use olive oil. It's too strong of a taste. So I will use avocado oil for the rest of it. And be careful. Normally I fry this on my stove and I have my hood vent going full blast because I'll see how long I can do it without my hood vent, because the pepper, oh my goodness, I've made this with red also because, you know, I have a lot of jalapenos and we love this. But since the green creamy jalapeno sauce is a thing, I'm making it with the green jalapenos for you today. So we're going to fry this, and as I said, I'm using olive oil. You can use avocado oil until they start to soften up. Some people who I saw said to boil it, and I'm like, I don't really want to boil my jalapenos. This way you don't lose anything. You know, if you boil it, you throw the juice away and you're losing some of the flavor. So we've got this. We're waiting for it to heat up, and we're going to fry that. And while that's frying, we have a half of an onion, or about 12 ounces of jalapenos. You use 4 to 6 ounces of onion. So I have a half of onion, and you just slice this. Okay, so we're going to use that after the jalapenos cook for a while. We add the onion to it and fry those as well. In the meantime, in a blender, we add 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, tablespoon of lime juice, or however much if you like more lime. That's about a tablespoon. A teaspoon of salt. And the rest of it I will add after the jalapeno cooks. So while you were away, I did go to the stove so I could have the vent turned on high. And as you can see this, you can tell they're getting a little softer. The color's changed a little. It's not as bright. So now we're going to add the onions and break them up as much as possible. And we're going to cook this with the onions till the onions become translucent. So then we're just going to stir this and keep cooking until the onions become translucent. The jalapenos are becoming nice and soft. There, that's looking great. Now we pour them into the blender. So we have in here salt, lime juice, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm using fresh cilantro because I bought some. If you don't have fresh cilantro, use 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on how much cilantro you like, and a half a cup of avocado oil. You just blend this all up till it's nice and creamy and smooth. It's all blended up nice and smooth. At this point, taste it to make sure you have enough lime juice and cilantro. Oh, oh, yummy. And you just pour it into a bowl. Now, I've told you how we like to have it, burgers, all that. But now I'm going to tell you my favorite way to have this. You just dip pork rinds in it. It is, oh my gosh, so good. Dr. Carl doesn't even like pork rinds, and I find him dipping his pork rinds into this all the time. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, this is so good. You have to try it.